In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on Card.co. If you're eager to make your website visually appealing, even a simple tweak like altering text color can have a massive impact. Whether you're emphasizing important information or enhancing your brand's color scheme, mastering this skill will add another layer of personalization to your card site. So, let's dive right into it. First, you want to direct your attention to the text that you want to edit. On Card.co, it's straightforward. As soon as you click on the text, a menu will pop up on the left side of your screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this menu. It's the command center for customizing your text. Once the menu is up, your next stop is the Appearance tab. You can find this by clicking on the paintbrush icon. This tab is crucial as it houses all the visual settings you might need to make your text look exactly how you envision it. The paintbrush icon is distinct and easy to locate, symbolizing all things design-related. Now comes the fun part of choosing your color. In this section, you're presented with a color slider. This tool allows you to intuitively slide through hues and shades until you find the perfect match for your design. If you have a specific color in mind, perhaps one that matches your brand's palette, you can type in the hex code directly into the provided field. This precise control ensures that your site colors are consistent, aligning with your overall theme or branding strategy. After making your color selection, the final step is very simple yet crucial: clicking on Done. By doing this, you confirm the changes you've made, and these updates will be instantly reflective on your site. It's always good practice to double-check your work at this point. Scroll through your website to ensure the text appears just the way you intended. This final review can prevent any surprises and give you peace of mind knowing everything is in order. To wrap things up, changing text color on Card.co is not just about aesthetics. It's about making your website more engaging and in tune with your unique style. Remember, each color can evoke different emotions and reactions, so think about what you want your users to feel when visiting your site. Experiment with different colors until you find the perfect fit. Enjoy the process of bringing your creative vision to life. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below. Happy designing!